Hi everyone, this hairstyle is a simple pull through bubble braid. First, a section all the hair with 5 ponytail. You can pick out big section if you like or smaller section, it don't matter. Then the top ponytail, I split that in half and bring that into the second ponytail. Twist it over, and then the second ponytail you pin that away like so. Then bring that into the third ponytail. Then tie it all together into another ponytail like this. Then bring down the top section of the second ponytail, smooth it out a bit and split that in half and put that over the third ponytail. Then pin that away. Then bring that into the fourth ponytail now like this, and then tie it all away with a clear elastic band. There we go. When you finish that, you bring the third ponytail down, split that in half, put it over the fourth ponytail like this, pin that away. Then bring that one all the way down to the fifth ponytail like this, tie that away. Then bring the fourth ponytail down, split that in half and put it into the fifth one. Pin the fifth one away like this. Then when you get to the bottom, just clear elastic that one, and then all you do is tie it up, bring the fifth ponytail down, split that in half again, take that up, pin it away nice, and then tie with some clear elastic band again. And we repeat that all the way to the bottom of the hair like this, and you should have plenty pull through bubble braid. Here we go. You just pin it away just to get it to tie away with the elastic band. Then smooth it out to just cover the gap so you wouldn't see it. You can use any comb, that's no problem. Then spray it with some wax spray and pinch and pull it out as big as you like, just to give it more volume, nice and big and voluminous. All the way to the bottom when you get to it, nice and big. Just pull it through. All the product I use will put in the description below like this. Lovely. And then you should have something looking just like this. Then spray it with some hairspray, and this is the finished look. If you like this hairstyle, please subscribe for more hair tutorial. And thank you ever so much for watching my video, and every like and every subscribe, I really appreciate it. And thank you ever so much. Hope you enjoy this video, and please like and share. Thank you. Bye.